Up, Jay, up, up.
Oh, you got it.
Oh.
You got this. Oh, lock it.
Wow, I just returned from the gym. That was a gruesome workout where I attempted a new deadlift PR. They call me the Asian Phenom because I'm the best at what I do, and that is to test new products to see if they are worth your hard-earned money. Unless you're rich like Elon Musk. Welcome back to the channel. It's your friendly neighborhood YouTuber with another exciting unboxing. Today we're going to test out the new Nordic Lifting Fuego X9 massage gun. This isn't your typical massage gun because this has a built-in heating function. How awesome is that? All right, it looks like a free 1-year warranty. That's definitely appreciated. Wow, here's the heating output. Check it out, guys. Look at the range of temperature values. Train, recover, repeat. It looks like it has 6 different heads, and that's the heated flat head. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm super excited. So, like I was mentioning, I am quite sore, guys, from my deadlift PRs. I failed 455, but I finally hit 450. So I'm very happy of achieving a new PR. I think my previous was like 425 or something like that. Whenever hitting a new PR is always appreciated. Always happy hitting new PRs. All right, check it out, guys. Look at this fancy carrying case. I love this. Nordic Lifting logo right there. It's got a very smooth, kind of like a polyester feel to it. All right, let's unbox it. I have to admit, this is one of the fanciest massage gun cases. Oh snap! Even has acoustic built in. I mean, I just recently added acoustic panels to it, to my YouTube studio. Make sure you check that out. So that's what it reminds me of. All right, so you have a thank you card. Oh, wow. Look at this stamp. This kind of reminds me of like Game of Thrones. Or those old Chinese movies, you know, where you have the stamp of approval. Let's see what it said. Ah, from the CEO himself, Henrik. That's always appreciated. See that? Ah, yes. I love that. That's a nice touch to it. You got your user's guide, and what's this right here? Extended warranty. First thing you notice is the power adapter. And I think that's for a different charge. 6 different type of heads. So I believe this is the heated flathead, which is used to relax sore muscles, super sore muscles. And this is the air plug head. And here is the flat head. And this must be the bullet head. And here is, this is for the spinal head, for spinal cord, along with looks like another attachment. And this is your typical round head. So in case you're not sure what to use for which muscle group or fatigueness level, that's what you would use it on. All right, flat head basically for relaxing, shaping muscles, spinal cord, and air plug head, basically all those points. Heated flat head more like for the, looks like for the back, and bullet head for these trigger points along with the round head. Alright, so here's how you use their fancy power adapter. Press this button down, push it down, it's magnetically locked. Here's a 3-prong option. Let's say you're traveling different countries, you're going to use a different one. So it says the side up. See? I think for my purpose, we're in the US, we'll be using this one. See which side up. Side up. That's how you use it. See? All right. Now let's take a look at the massage gun in itself. See, even the case has a pre-built identifier, so you don't get confused where you would put each tool, here's the massage gun, guys. Wow, this is beauty. So here's the beauty of the massage gun in its full glory. It weighs a mere 0.98 kilograms or 2.16 pounds. It's made of durable plastic material, and I believe this is the titanium color with a smooth rubberized handle, and it looks like it even has a lock mechanism where you could charge it fully like this, or just detach the handle and charge that. And in front of the head is where you would place your favorite massage heads and lock it into place. As you can see on the top, it's ventilated also. It looks very nice. And here's how you unlock the base. You can charge it simply the handle, or you can charge it attached like this. Here's what the bottom looks like. I just know that there's also on and off switch. It's kind of weird. Let's go ahead. Oh, okay. See how that light lit up? I thought it didn't have any juice in here. Okay. Let's turn this off and charge it. Now it doesn't come with a USB charge, so you have to use a wall outlet. So while I was charging, there's an indicator like to tell you how much juice is left. Red means less than 10%, yellow means less than 30%, blue means more than 40%, and green means fully charged at 100%. As you can see, it's fully charged now, and it takes about 3 hours for full charge. Depending on what level you used, you can use the massage gun up to 3 to 5 hours. Alright, let's go ahead and test that out. Unplug it, turn it on. And let me use this, the flats heated one. You make sure you line it with the slot right here. Pull it in and then rotate it to tighten it. Okay. All right. And here is the indicator right here. You have 3 modes to choose from. I believe the first mode is called the uniform speed, wave speed, and that's the climb. So let's go ahead and test out this first mode. One press. Start out with the base. This is the lowest setting at 1600 RPM. And to increase one setting, you would simply add the plus. Alright, this is 2000 RPM, 2400 RPM, 2900 RPM, and it's max 3200 RPM. And one more press will take you back to 1, and you can also pause it. Let's go ahead and switch it to the second mode. Okay, that is the intermittent mode, and it looks like you can't choose the functions. I mean the power, so intermittence by itself, but it's full capacity, full strength. And one more mode, steady climb. It will gradually from its lowest to its highest. Wow, quite neat. Let's go ahead and switch it to the heated mode. Now it provides some heat. Yeah, I can feel it starting to heat up. So it takes a good 30 seconds or so for the attachment to heat up, but once it heats up, it feels really good to the touch. All right, let's go ahead and test that on my sore muscles. My chest is still sore from the other day, actually. That added even more soreness after the deadlift session. So I have it on heated flathead. Let's go ahead and turn this on. It's already warm right now. Oh, so that operates at 113 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, I love that heated. Oh my goodness. That is hitting a spot right there. With the heated function and the proper RPM, that's going to help your muscle relax and also heal faster. I love this. And don't forget, even with the heated option, you can have the different modes too. Next up, we have the more traditional rounded head. This is for large muscle groups, such as chest, legs, arms, big muscle groups. Oh, I think I went with the climbing one. So here's the bullet head. That's more for joints. So let's say if you have like any hip issues, hip impingement, that digs in deep in the joints. Here's the regular flathead. That's for relaxing and shaping muscles, as opposed to the heated flathead. Basically, any muscle group that you can think of, such as shoulders, arms, forearms. So here's a cool one called the air plug head. See that? So you can relax the large muscle groups, such as your chest or your buttocks. Alright, lastly we have this spinal head, which is perfect for me after my huge PR, deadlift PR, or anytime you do a gruesome back workout. So the thing about this one is it's hard to reach. So you might need somebody's help using this, but that feels so great, guys. Especially after involving a lot of back with the deadlifts. Oh yeah, that's hitting the spot. Love it. The Fuego X9 is designed to improve blood circulation along with sweat quality, relieves muscle spasms and stiffness along with stress, prevent injuries, enhance sports performance, and alleviate muscle fatigue and soreness. But most importantly, with its patented heated technology, it will help you heal faster, so you can hit the gym more often and harder and hit those new PRs and be the envy of your workout buddies.